Hello students, in my last video on question 10, I have explained about multiplication, what is multiplication, what its terms, what we call the factors, what is the product, what is multiplicand and what is multiplier. And we have done the multiplication on the basis of multiplier if it is 10, 100 or 1000. Now in question number 11 we will do multiplication of two digits number. In class 3rd we have done this two digit multiplication by using the method of place value of the digits, and according to that we have find the product of the digits. Let us revise that once again. Your first question A1 in 11 is given that 43 multiplied by 24. These two digit number are here. So how we will multiply it? Now what is the multiplier here? 24. See students, this is your question. In 24, if we see, there is 2 tens and 4 ones. These 2 tens and 4 ones makes 20 plus 4, which comes 24. Agree? Okay. So, your question is 43 into 24. So, the multiplier is 24. So it means the 43 we have to multiply by 24. That 24 is 2 tens and 4 ones. So we will multiply the number by the multiplier. I have told you already. So we will multiply 43 into the multiplier, that is 20 tens plus 2 tens plus 4 ones is equal to 43 into, now see these are the this is the multiplier 20 plus 4. So this multiplicand we will multiply by both the numbers, by tens also and by ones also, by 20 also and by 4 also. So 43 into 20, we will open the bracket, multiplier bracket, 43 into 20 plus 43 into 4, 43 into 20 plus 43 into 4. In my last video I have explained that if in multiplier there is 0 according to their places, tens, 100,000. So first we are multiplying the digits and place the 0 at the right side. So first we will multiplying the digits, 43 into 2. So if we multiply 43 into 2, 3 2 ja 6 and 4 2 ja 2 4 ja 8. Now 1 0 is there, we will put at right side. So their product is 43 into 20 is equal to 860. Okay, now plus, if we multiply 43 into 4, so 4 3 ja 12, 1 will carry, 4 4 ja 16 plus 1 17. Now these two numbers we have got by these two products. So if we will add these numbers, 0 plus 2, 2, 6 plus 7, 13, 1 will carry, 8 1 9 plus 1 10. So this is the product for this two digit multiplication number. So like this way we have solved. Okay students. Now see the B1 here. 75 multiplied by 63. Here multiplier is 63. 63 means 6 tens plus 3 ones, which comes 60 plus 3. So if we expand it, let us multiply this 75 into 63. So 75 into 63 means 6 tens plus 3 ones. So 75 into 6 tens means 60 plus 3 ones means 3. Keep in bracket this multiplier. Now this 75 we will multiply with both these numbers. So 75 into first 60 plus 75 into 3. Now we have opened the bracket and multiply all the numbers together. Now what we have got, 75 into 60 means first we will multiply the digits. So by the multiplication of digit we have got 450 and 10 is there, so we will place it at it right side, plus 75 into 3, so we will get 225, 5 3 is 15, 1 carry, 7 3 is 21 plus 1 22. So if we will add these two numbers, 0 plus 5 5, 0 plus 2 2, 5 plus 2 7 and this 4 as it is. So 4 7 2 5 is the product for number 75 into 63. Now see the question C1, 11th C, 359 into 37. This number you have to multiply. Now what is the multiplier here, students? Yes, 37. 37 means 3 tens and 7 ones, which shows 30 plus 7. Very good. So let us solve this multiplication. 359 into 37 is equal to 359 into 3 tens plus 7 ones, which comes 359 into 3 tens comes 30 plus 7 ones comes 7 is equal to 359 into 30 plus 359 into 7. So we will multiply these numbers together. First digit 1, so we will get 1077, then add this 0 at the right side. So we have got 10770 plus, if we multiply 359 into 7 we will get 2513. Do this multiplication, students, then our answer will 13283 for these numbers. Now D1, 109 multiplied by 48. As multiplier is 48, which shows 4 tens plus 8 ones comes 40 plus 8. So we will solve it. 109 into 48 is equal to 109 into multiplier, that is 4 tens plus 8 ones. 109 into 40 plus 8 is equal to 109 into 40 plus 109 into 8. We will multiply this 109 into 40, we will get 4360, then plus 109 into 8, we will get 872. If we will add these two numbers together, we will get 5232 as the product of the number. Now let us see the last one for question 11. On the basis of multiplication, 632 you have to multiply by 53. Now here multiplier is 53. So what we will do first? First we will find tens and ones. So 5 tens and 3 ones, which means 50 plus 3. See here, 53. 5 tens plus 3 ones is equal to 50 plus 3. So, when we multiply 632 into 53, it means we are multiplying by 632 into 5 tens plus 3 ones. 632 into 5 tens 50 means 5 tens means 50 plus 3 ones means 3. So, by both this number we will multiply 632 as this is the multiplier. So 632 into 50 first plus 652 into 3. Then we will multiply this number, the digits first, then place the 0 at the right side. So if we multiply 632 into 5, we will get 3160 and place 0 here, then plus 632 into 3, so we will get 1896. And finally when we add these numbers, we will get 0 plus 6, 6, 0 plus 9, 9, 6 plus 8, 14, 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3, and these 3. So our product will be 33496. So students, here we have learned that for multiplying the digits, first we will finding the places of the digits in multiplier and accordingly arrange the digits and multiply the number with multipliers and finally get the product.